Hi Eric. So I have one doubt related to this add leads redirecting to the add vendor page. And here you can see my CRM settings are for the organization, the default type is business, and for the vendors, default type is individual. Now this lead I have created where I added this field organization vendor name and organization vendor type. If I go and create one lead using this, so here I created this customer vendor type is vendor. Okay, now I'm going to convert it to organization. Now you can see we are on add vendor page and the page layout is shown correctly, but what we have here in the settings is default vendor creation setting is individual, and for individual we have these widgets, whereas here it is taking the widgets from the business type and not the individual type. See, and if I do the same thing using, for example, instead of vendor I'm creating customer, then I'm getting correct response. All the widgets which are here for the default customer type, that is business, is showing correctly. The general, other, financial and assignments. Then if I select both customer and vendor, I mean the lead is customer and vendor both, it's still showing me the correct result. That is, it's showing me the default of the customer, that is business customer. Yeah, so my question is for the vendor part. If I select a vendor, only vendor, and try to convert it to organization, that is customer, the default type that is getting selected is business and not the individual. Ideally it should be individual. That what we have here in the settings. Yeah, thank you.